their home, because however, if Sun is weak in strength, afflicted by malefic planet, it causes weak resistance power and losses through fire, theft, disputes, debts, litigation, etc., and problem to and from father. On the health ground, the weak strength of the Sun causes heart problem, erratic blood circulation, stomach disorder, weak eyesight, infertility, low immunity, and weakness of bones, etc. Moon is an auspicious planet in the birth chart of Piscean native. When it is strong and well placed, it blesses the native with sound mind, exceptional decisive and analytical power, happiness and account of children, gains through speculations, fulfillment of desires in emotional relationship, interests in cooking and finance. In addition to this, its strength is favorable for learning and acquiring knowledge. If it is weak in the birth chart, horoscope, or afflicted by malefic planets, then the native may experience weak analytical power, emotional setbacks, problem to or from children, losses through speculations, weak decisive power, mental stress, and problems to and from mother. On behalf of health, the weakness of moon causes weak immunity, excess of congestion, respiratory problem, diseases like tuberculosis, stomach disorder, lack of mental peace, backache, diabetics, sleep disc, infertility, and gynecological problems in women. Mars is another benefic planet in Pisces ascendant. A strong and well placed Mars blesses the native with um, satisfactory social status, as it is the as it rules the house of status, that is the second house, through intellect, knowledge of technical fields, gains through recognition, male children, and affluent father, because Mars also rule the ninth house. It also causes quick decisive powers and interests in forces. If it is weak in strength and afflicted by malefic planet, then it causes difficulties in acquiring or attaining satisfactory social status, difficulties in accumulating wealth, delay and break in marriage, loss of reputation, problem to male children, father, younger brother, impassive nature, and short temperament. As far as health is concerned, its weak strength causes muscular problems, blood infection, circulatory problem, obstructions in physical growth, cramps, stammered speech, fever, etc. Strong and well placed Mercury blesses the native with suitable life partner, happy martial life, foreign travels, gains and recognition through partner, and long lasting partnership. When it is weak in strength in the natal chart or horoscope, then the native may have weak analytical assessment and decisive power. In addition to this, its weakness and affliction by malefic planet causes lack of confidence, problems to and from spouse, losses in partnership, obstructions in foreign travel, delay in solemnizing marriage, difficulties in enjoying happy martial life. Medically, they can suffer from the problems related to nervous system, intestinal or skin problems, respiratory troubles, uh, cervical spondylosis, insomnia, weak memory. The good placement and the strength of Jupiter is favorable for enjoying good health, acquiring knowledge, recognition, and settlement of life through profession in finance, teaching, marketing, innovation, and consultancies. When Jupiter is weak in strength or afflicted by malefic planet in their birth chart horoscope, it causes dissatisfaction from professional achievement, problems to father, obstruction in satisfactory settlement of life, and difficulties in enjoying adequate progeny bliss. Finally, the weak strength of Jupiter causes flatulence, diabetes, jaundice, liver disorder, dark circle under eyes, arthritis, and swollen feet. A strong and well-placed Venus in the birth chart or the horoscope of Piscean natives blesses the native with strong martial ties because it rules the 8th house of martial ties, 8th house of martial happiness, and luxurious lifestyle, long lifespan, abundant inheritance, and the native will have easy gains in life because 8th house rules the easy gains. When it is weak in strength or afflicted by malefic planets, it causes difficulties in enjoying martial bliss of a high order, short medium lifespan, humiliation, extra martial affairs, lack or loss of inheritance, and problems to and from spouse. Medically, its weak strength causes diabetes, kidney failure, renal disease, weakness of lens of eyes, weakness of reproductive organs, piles, genesial, low sperm count, etc. The good placement and the strength of Saturn is favorable for forming foreign relations, good span of life, good health, sound sleep, bed comforts, protection from losses, expenses, gains through labor class, employees, servants, and contract work. When Saturn is weak in strength afflicted by malefic planets. In the nativity, it causes losses, obstruction in settling overseas, short or medium span of life, bad health, imprisonment, martial discord, etc. Medically, they can have problems such as arthritis, cancerous disease, early aging process, teeth infections, and painful disease. The malefic planet Rahu does not have a particular house. Whenever Rahu is placed in a good house, not afflicting any area of the birth chart, it promotes good results of that house where it is placed in. If Rahu is near the midpoint of any house, it deteriorates the signification of all the houses aspected by malefic Rahu. Simultaneously, it gives obstruction, denial, manipulation, deceiveness, greed, over-ambitiousness, addictions. Apart from this, whenever malefic Rahu is in the sign of exaltation and not near the midpoint, then it also gives good materialistic results. So when Rahu, as for any malefic planet, if it sits in any particular house, it damages that house, whether it is a benefic house or whether it is a malefic house. If a functional malefic planet sits in any house, it will damage that house. But the damage will be more if it is near to the midpoint of the house, and the damage will be less if it is away from the midpoint of the house. But when Rahu sits in a benefic house and it is conjunct and aspected by also benefic house, then it gives good results pertaining to the houses it sits and the planets with which it is conjunct or aspected. The malefic planet Ketu also does not have any particular house. When Ketu is placed in good house, not afflicting any area of the birth chart, it promotes good results of that house where it is placed. So the natural tendency of Rahu and Ketu will be to damage a house, whether it is good house or bad house. The damage will be more if it is near to the midpoint of the house, and damage will be less if it is away from the midpoint of the house. If Ketu is in a good house, is a benefic house, and and have benefic aspect and conjunction of benefic planet, then it will become benefic and it will give good results of the house and the planets it is conjunct and aspected with. Besides this, whenever malefic Ketu is in the signs of exaltation and not near the midpoint, then also it gives good results. The unfavorable color for um, Pisces at ascendant is dark black, and the favorable color is green and yellow, and favorable stone for Pisces ascendant is yellow sapphire, and unfavorable stones are blue sapphire, diamond, ruby, and cat's eye and gomet. But cat's eye and gomet can be tested in Pisces ascendant if Rahu and Ketu are benefic in the chart. That is, if they are in benefic house and when they are ruled by when they are conjunct and aspected by benefic planets.